How to fix TikTok not opening in iPhone 11, 12 or 13. So let's start the video. First of all, open App Store and search here TikTok. Now click on TikTok. If you have any update of your TikTok app, then update your TikTok. After update your TikTok, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then open your settings and then click on general. After clicking on general, then click on iPhone storage and then click on TikTok, and here you can offload your TikTok app and reinstall it. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.